Ukulele, ukulele, Pismo Ukulele. Hey guys, Pismo here. Welcome to another easy, simple ukulele lesson and tips for the pre-beginner. I have a great tip to help you play all kinds of new sounds and chords, and that is using a chip clip. So you can hold this clip either to close a bag of Fritos and keep them fresh, or you can put it on the neck of your ukulele like this, and you can help change the sound. So let's try it first without the clip. Now with. See the difference? It's much better. And you can move it down and up, even lower. Anyway, try a chip clip and keep playing. It'll only get better. That's it for today's lesson. Please subscribe and come back next week for another great tip. Mahalo. Ukulele, ukulele, Pismo Ukulele.